Hello, my name is Sunil Rai. On this tutorial, we'll learn what is a variable, its types, an example, as well as the rules of the variable. A variable is the name of the storage location in the computer memory where we can store the different types of the values in the QBasic variables. A variable is needed in the different programs to store the different data in the computer memory which are used for the processing in the program. The value stored in the variable is not fixed. It may be changed during the program execution time. The rules of the variables are a variable should be beginning with the alphabets letter like ABCD, and we cannot use the keyword as a variable. We should declare the variable with the valid name, means a unique name should be given to the variable. A variable name must be up to only the 40 characters in the QBasic. We can use only the characters like has and percentage, dollar sign, exclamation mark for declaring variable. The variable names are not case sensitive. As you can see, there is the two types of the variable. One is the string variable, which is denoted by the dollar sign. Next is the numeric. If there is no any dollar sign on the variable, that is the numeric variable. And the numeric variable, it has the two types, that is the solid number and the float. Float is denoted by the decimal point after the number, and in the solid number there is the integer, it is denoted by the percentage sign, and the long integer that is denoted by the and. In the float there is a single precision, it is denoted by the exclamation mark, and the double precision, it is denoted by the hash. You can see the range of this each variable, whereas there is the positive and the negative of the number. There is a long integer range, and the single precision there is a 7 digit, and in the double precision there is a range of the 16 digit. As you can see, this is the syntax of the variable. The variable must be declared with the variable name and the data type and with the value. You can see the example of this variable. The first one is the numeric variable, the second one is the integer variable, the third one is the long integer variable, and single precision variable, and next one is the double precision variable. Let me give the example of the variable. Let us assume this box as a variable where we can store. As I have told you before, the variable stores the value in the memory. So the box is the memory where we can store the value. The memory needs to have the name. Therefore, I have given the name as the C with the data type and which is the long integer variable. The long integer variable is denoted by the and symbol. This variable has some of the value on it, and that is the value we have assigned to the variable C. And you can see the same example in the single precision with the exclamation mark, and it has the sum of the value on it. As you can see the program of the different variable, there is a different variable name and the data type. I have told before also that each data type have different symbols. If you declare a variable in the top after the CLS statement, the variable must be used in the print statement to be printed with the value that is assigned in it. Example, the $B is a variable with the value hello world inside the double apostrophe. This variable name is used in the print statement. Similarly, the F has variable, that is double precision variable, has also used in the print statement. We will learn this same program in the QBasic software and run this program and see the output. As you can see, this is the different variable program. In this program, there is a different variable name and a different data type. If you declare the variable name, you must use the same variable name and the symbol in the print statement to give the output what you have assigned value in it. You can see the example over here in the $, that is the string variable. This $, is assigned over here with the string variable, and this $, is also used in the print statement. Let us run this program and see the output of this program. I'm going to click on the run and start. You can see the output over here, and to exit this screen you have to press any key in the keyboard. After that, you can see other variable also. There is like d, and we have assigned over here, and we have used the same name and the data type expression over here in the print also. You can check other variable also whether that is the different or not, and you can check the output by yourself. This much for today. Thank you for listening.